We came here from Seattle 4 days ago and today is last night in Las Vegas. Going for a walk in Las Vegas Strip. It's the tallest freestanding observation tower in US, including one of the highest thrill rides in the world. Their skyjump holds the Guinness Book of World as the highest commercial facility. We buy bus ticket of $8, that is valid for 24 hours, and get down at Bellagio's top. These hotels are really very beautiful. This is our 4th time in Vegas and we always come to walk on Strip. Bellagio is one of those beautiful hotels and Bellagio fountain runs in every 15 minutes, day and night, and it's free to watch. Inside Bellagio, they decorate wonderful and different in 4 seasons of the year. Due to COVID situation, they have some rules and regulations, like everyone have to maintain a queue to view the decoration. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button, it helps us a lot, and press the bell icon to get notifications. Give it a thumbs up and most importantly, leave a comment, discuss anything on this topic. Thank you so much for listening. Now stay tuned until we finish the video. The top of Eiffel Tower gives a different level of view of this fountain. Show of Eiffel Tower Paris Hotel runs every 30 minutes, inspired by the Eiffel Tower's illuminations in France. Cesears Palace. Yeah, it's not a hotel but a palace. The objective was to ensure an atmosphere in which everybody staying at the hotel would feel like a Caesar. This is why the name Cesears Palace. Now our dinner time. This candy shop is like heaven for the persons with sweet tooth. So many varieties of colorful candies. Venetian. This is a luxury hotel and casino resort themed Venice. They also has the provision to ride Venetian boat. See the decoration on the roof, the receptions, the gates, too good. Last thing for tonight is Mirage Volcano show. Runs every hour from 7 pm to 10 pm. This is only 4 minutes show. There are waters, fires, musics, and it's really cool thing to watch while walking on strip. Next morning, time to go back to Seattle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Keep watching, keep loving. See you next week.